Curious facts. Hey, ever wonder why your stomach turns into a growling monster when you're hungry? Is it mad at you? Plotting revenge? Let's find out. Here's the deal. When you're hungry, your stomach's empty, right? But it's still busy. Your brain sends signals saying, "Feed me," triggering muscle contractions to clear out leftovers, like a cleanup crew. Those rumbles? That's air and fluids sloshing around in there, amplified like a mini echo chamber. Scientists call it borborygmi. Say that 3 times fast. So next time your stomach growls, it's not angry. It's just singing for snacks. Hit that like button if yours is growling right now. Follow for more curious facts.